In this video, I cover how to use color theory basics for presentation color schemes. Let's get started. I'm sure you're familiar with the basic color wheel: 3 primary colors, 3 secondary colors, and 6 tertiary colors. So, how do you use this color wheel to actually pick colors that work together? With color theory basics, using color harmonies is the best way to identify colors that work together. Color harmony is simply how colors interact well with each other. The more harmonious, the better the colors work together. There are many color harmonies. To help you in picking a color scheme, I will highlight 4 of them. The first color harmony is complementary. These colors are opposite each other on the color wheel. With 12 basic colors, you can create 6 color combinations. A variation of this harmony is split complementary. This is 3 colors consisting of 1 primary color and 2 colors adjacent to its complement. Instead of red-green, the colors are red, blue-green, and yellow-green. In a presentation, these complementary color combinations create a dynamic and exciting look and often convey energy and excitement. The analogous color harmony are colors next to each other on the color wheel, like blue-green, green, and yellow-green. This is a good color combination when your message is focusing on stability and balance because they provide a sense of unity. The next color harmony I want to highlight is triadic. As its name implies, it's comprised of 3 colors that are evenly spaced on the color wheel. This is the primary colors red, yellow, blue, secondary colors green, violet, orange, and tertiary colors of yellow, green, red, orange, blue, violet, or blue, green, yellow, orange, and red, violet. If you want to convey fun and creativity, you can't go wrong with the bold and vibrant triadic color combination. The 4th color harmony is monochromatic. As the name implies, it's variations of the same color. This is the best color scheme to use for a cohesive look. If you want to convey calm and peacefulness, this color scheme will help you do that. Once you have your colors selected, here are some strategies to make sure you aren't overwhelming your audience with too much color all at once. First, you want to use the 60-30-10 rule. Here, you divide the color usage into percentages: 60%, 30%, or 10%. For a more in-depth explanation, watch my video explaining the 60-30-10 rule. Another strategy is to use lighter tints of the main colors in the harmony. This reduces the intensity of the color, and when combined with the 60-30-10 rule, it will create a well-balanced color scheme. The last strategy is to use a neutral color like gray, white, or black as your predominant color. This allows you to use your other colors for focal points on the slide. Continue watching for more slide design tips and tricks.